Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the difference between true division and floor division in Python. In Python, there are two kinds of division operators. A single slash for true division and a double slash for floor division. In true division, the result of dividing two integers is a float. For example, 12 divided by 4 equals 3.0. Or 20 divided by 3 equals 6.666 and so on. In floor division, the result is truncated down, so the result is the floor, the largest integer number smaller than the result of true division. So, for example, 12 divided by 4 equals 3, an integer, and 20 divided by 3 equals 6, because this is the largest integer number smaller than the result of true division, which is here. In floor division, if either the dividend or the divisor or both are floats, the result is a float. The result is an integer only if both the dividend and the divisor are integers. For example, 10 divided by 3. Here we are dividing an integer by an integer, and the result is an integer. Now here we have a float, 10.0, divided by 3. Here we are dividing a float by an integer, so the result is a float. How about an integer divided by a float? Again, we get a float. And now we have a float divided by another float, and the result is a float. And one more example, 5.6 divided by 2 using floor division is 2, a float. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.